Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the job notification NLC India Limited in Tamil Nadu, and this is a public sector which has an annual turnover of approximately 8,000 crores is spreading its wings in the frontier of mining, lignite and coal, thermal power generation and renewable energy. So there are some vacancies available in NLC India Limited. So it's the safety officer on FTE basis, grade F7E grade, and the number of vacancies and reservation of posts are 5, unreserved for 4, and OBC it's 1. So the educational qualification is full-time or part-time bachelor degree in mechanical engineering or mechanical and production engineering or electronics and communication, electrical and electronics engineering. So there are several departments are given here in the notification. So go through that notification to know more. And also the diploma in industrial safety is conducted by an institute under Directorate General Factory Advice Service and Labor Institutes. So this is also mandatory for the eligibility criteria for applying this post, and also the candidate should have adequate knowledge in Tamil, both in writing and speaking. So the educational qualifications are very important for applying this post. And the length and area of work and experience: minimum 19 years of post qualification working experience in thermal power stations, out of which minimum 10 years should be in safety. And preference will be given to candidate having experience in preparation of emergency management plan and disaster management plan, and also lead auditor certificate of ISO and OSHAS. So this is the eligibility criteria or educational qualification and the introduction of this notification. And the upper age limit is maximum of 8 years, and the crucial date for claim OBC. So the date of birth must be before the age limit is 15 years, and the engagement on FTE basis, candidate engaged in the above post will be placed in F7E grade on fixed term employment basis for the period of 2 years with the consolidated pay of 1 lakh per month. So the per month salary is 1 lakh rupees. And the next one is the payment fee, and the payment will be the reservation and relaxation for SC, ST or OBC or EAWS, and ex-servicemen candidates will pay as per Government of India guidelines, and candidates belonging to SC, ST and ex-servicemen categories are exempted from paying of application fee. However, they are required to pay the non-refundable amount of 354 invoicing towards the processing fee. So there is a processing fee that's non-refundable. So all candidates should be all candidates should pay this amount, 354 rupees. And candidate belonging to OBC category should meet the eligibility norms notified in the UR category, unreserved category for consideration against unreserved vacancy. So they have to pay the remaining amount for the application of this post. And method of selection will be based on the personal interview, and the candidate will be evaluated through personal interview on 20 mark scale. The minimum qualifying marks on a personal interview for various categories against reservation is given below. So the tabulation is given in the notification. For unreserved categories, 50% is needed in interview, and OBC 40%, SC and ST 50%. So minimum qualifying marks in personal interview for candidates belonging to SC, ST category applying against unreserved vacancy is 50%. And the final selection of candidate will be in the order of merit based on the marks scored by the candidates in the personal interview, subject to scoring the minimum qualifying percentage of marks prescribed. And also we have discussed the compensation is 1 lakh per month, and all Indian nationals are eligible to apply for this post. So please apply for this post before the due date, and the online application portal will be active from 9th January 2021 to 13th January 2021. So please apply before the due date. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And also the payment of application fee is for unreserved category it is 854 rupees plus 500 rupees. For SC/ST and ex-servicemen candidates it's only 354 rupees. The 500 rupees are exempted. So don't forget about this, and there are so many documents are needed for to apply this post. So before applying, please consider this also. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.